A Coast Guard petty officer found guilty of manslaughter in the death of her 5-month-old daughter has been released from the Miramar brig. As CBS 8's David Goffredson reports, she spent 2 years behind bars before an appellate court finally overturned her conviction.
How does it feel to be out of custody?
A breath of fresh air.
Coast Guard Petty Officer Kate Richard walked out of the Miramar brig on April 18th. 4 years to the day after she found her 5-month-old daughter Scarlett dead in her crib inside a home she shared with her husband in Kodiak, Alaska. A military jury acquitted her of murder charges in 2022, but convicted her of manslaughter.
The first night I got there, I was on the floor in a holding cell, cement, with nothing around me, on the ground in a fetal position, bawling, saying, "I didn't do this, I shouldn't be here."
She spent nearly 800 days behind bars until her conviction was finally overturned last month on appeal.
With a wrongful conviction, you lose not only, in my case, my daughter, my only child. I lost my marriage. It broke apart my marriage. It broke apart many friends and acquaintances. My reputation in the Coast Guard is ruined.
The Coast Guard yeoman remains on active duty and spoke to me on Zoom from a Coast Guard base in Los Angeles.
I understand about postpartum depression.
Her conviction was based in part on this interrogation video and the fact that she admitted to investigators that she suffered from postpartum depression.
I didn't kill her. I didn't hurt my daughter at all. And just because I had postpartum depression doesn't mean that I was a murderer. I was a killer.
An autopsy found the baby died of asphyxiation, a cause of death that can include sudden infant death syndrome.
Do you think she died of SIDS?
Yeah, I really do. That's what I believed this entire time. That's what the ER report said.
Richard says she will soon be transferred to Virginia.
This weekend, I sat on by the ocean watching the sunset, crying and crying and crying and crying because I couldn't save her. That still sticks in my head that the one person I couldn't save was my own daughter.
The Coast Guard declined to comment on the case, but military prosecutors could still refile manslaughter charges against Richard, although her defense attorney tells me at this point that seems unlikely. Reporting from MCAS Miramar, David Goffredson, CBS 8.